Hello and welcome to the How to Build an E-commerce Website with WordPress. After completing this course, you will know exactly how to create a fully functional e-commerce website using WordPress, WooCommerce, and Printful. Along the way, we'll learn the fundamentals of e-commerce and selling online, how to buy a domain name and hosting, website design, how to create an online store with WooCommerce, processing orders and integrating your store with Printful, and we're also going to get a crash course in online marketing, including finding your niche, social media management, SEO and Google AdWords, and email marketing with MailChimp and SumoMe. Now, before you get too excited, let's go into some of the things that this course is not. This course is not guaranteed to make you thousands of dollars within weeks of starting. Building a successful online business takes hard work and commitment. This is a no-brainer. You have to commit and you have to put in the hard work if you want to build a successful online business. This is not a make money online scam. You've seen them before, make $2,000 in a week. Those are scams. This is a practical guide to e-commerce and creating online stores. This is important. This is not your one and only way to start a business online. There are so many different types of ways that you can create a profit online. This is just one small subset of creating businesses using the internet. Finally, this is not going to show you how to trick your customers into buying your products. I'm not going to be showing you some scammy, black hat SEO techniques. You will learn the foundations for creating a successful brand and moving forward with your own idea for an online business. A little bit about me. I have over 5 years of experience creating websites and online stores on a variety of different platforms, and I am completely self-taught. This is not impossible to learn. It just takes, hard work and commitment. It's those two things from before. I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview of my personal philosophy so that you can get an idea of where I'm coming from in creating this course. Number one, a desire to learn is your most powerful asset. I really stand by this. Even the most successful people that you know, they're constantly striving to learn more so they can provide more value to their business. Second, anyone can learn how to build websites and sell products online, okay? But it takes hard work, commitment, and time to be successful. With those three ingredients, you can be successful in creating websites and selling products. You never know until you try. Get up off your butt and just give it a shot. Even if your business isn't successful, at the end of this course, you're going to know how to create a website, how to integrate it with products, and how to sell them. Finally, and this is a guiding principle in my life, always provide value. If you're not providing value, no one has any reason to listen to you or to give you their money or to buy your products. You need to provide value if you want to be successful online. The purpose of this course is to create a fully functional e-commerce website with custom products at minimal cost to the entrepreneur. Along the way, we're going to gain a working knowledge of e-commerce business and online marketing, and you're going to get a solid foundation for making money online and starting e-commerce websites. I'm very excited that you're about to take this journey with me. Move on to the next video, and let's get started with building an online e-commerce store.